Is right now the perfect time to buy Zevra Therapeutics? That is the question we're going to be answering in this video. And to answer this question, we're going to be using this Fibonacci retracement tool. So looking at the price, we can see that from around these lows, price went up to this high before we started seeing the current retracement. So if we draw the tool from this low up to this high, we get something that looks like this. And the way this works is these levels on the Fibonacci tend to act as key levels for the price. So we can see that initially when this retracement started, price was finding some support at this level. When that broke, the next key support level was around this Fibonacci level, and more recently we have been finding support here. Knowing that price tends to treat these levels as key levels, investors using this tool like to buy or average down at these areas. That increases the chances of them getting into the stock near the bottom of the retracement. So what are some areas where you might want to consider getting into this stock? The first price is going to be around here. This is $7.81. And the level below this is going to be around here. This is $7.29. So buying at the higher level and dollar cost averaging at the next level down if the price continues to retrace could be an entry strategy you might want to consider. So that's the entry side of things. However, getting a good entry price is only the first step. It's equally important to have a good exit strategy in place. And we can get an exit strategy using this Fibonacci extension tool. But before we dive into that, you might be wondering whether I'm currently holding Zevra Therapeutics or if I'm planning to invest in it. And the answer is the large majority of my portfolio is built around a strategy that tracks trades made by US politicians. This is because investing alongside key politicians is the most profitable strategy I've found in the stock market. Over the years, it has delivered returns that blow every other strategy completely out of the water, so I mostly only invest when key politicians are involved. If you are curious about how I do this and how you can too, I've put together a free video explaining everything. The link to it is in the description below, so feel free to check that out if you're interested. Coming back to the Fibonacci extension, if we do something similar to before, going from these lows up to this high, and this time if we pull the tool down to where this retracement has ended, we get something that looks like this. And the way this works is when price starts climbing, it tends to find strong resistance around these Fibonacci levels, and investors using this tool like to lock in some of their profits at these levels, which puts them in a good position to buy back at a discount if the price retraces. So what are some levels where you might want to consider locking in some profits? The first level is going to be around here. This is $10.35. The next level is $12.30. The third level is $15.45. And finally, this level is $18.60. So taking some profits as the price climbs up to these levels could be an exit strategy you might want to consider. I will be making update videos as the price gets to these key levels. So if you'd like to stay up to date, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like on this video as that helps the channel reach more people interested in this content. It's also worth mentioning I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Please make sure you do your own research and your own analysis before you make any investment decisions. That brings us to the end of the video. If you would like to learn how to profit like a politician, the link to the free video explaining everything is in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.